So the Caesar cipher was military-grade encryption 2,000 years ago. You take every letter and move it forward in the alphabet, originally by 3 spaces. You move it forward by 1 space, A goes to B, B goes to C, and Z goes to A. So that's the game here. And so you just have to write a program. You can read some text. Now here's your text. So encrypt this plain text by shifting every letter forward by 3. And there's already example code to modify text here. In here, there's an example of how to do it, so you can take a look at that if you want an example to start from. And then Caesar cipher is easy to break with a brute force attack because there's only 25 possible shifts. If you shift by 26, you get back where you started. So you can just print 25 lines of text with every shift and just see which one you can read. So you can do that and take this, shift it by all possible shifts, and figure out which one reveals a flag. And here's an alternating Caesar where you move the first letter forward and the second letter backward and the third letter forward and the last letter backward, always by the same amount. So that's another option. And so again, you can do that in assembly and take this, find out the hidden flag in that string. So again, just an exercise in loops and an exercise in adding and subtracting and figuring out how to roll it around if you pass Z or A. So that's the challenge there. And that's all I wanted to say about it.